Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Watch this video and learn how to make these delicious and easy to make pizza twists. They are irresistible as snacks, appetizers, or as a fun meal. Into a large mixing bowl, mix together plain flour, salt, sugar, and instant dried yeast. Then add in tepid water and milk, followed by the oil. Mix in the liquids until just combined before turning out onto a lightly floured surface and mixing until you no longer have any lumps of flour. If you pre-measured out the oil, using your fingers, scrape out any residual oil and use to line the bowl before placing in the mixed dough. Wrap in cling film and leave to rise for about 45 minutes. Divide the dough into two and roll out on a lightly floured cutting board. Roll each ball of dough into a rectangle roughly 10 by 13 inches. Smear a thin layer of tomato puree and then cover with mixed herbs, crushed black pepper, and grated cheese. You could also add cooked fillings like diced pepper and sliced mushroom. Cover with the other rolled out ball of dough and cut. Brush with melted butter. Place one pizza finger over another, pinch together using a skewer or the back of a knife, and twist. Place the pizza twists onto a prepared baking tray. Brush with egg wash. And then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes or until the edges are brown and crispy. Brush with melted butter to give the pizza twists a shiny glaze. And there you have it, a delicious and easy to make snack or appetizer. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.